All right, so here we are unboxing the Mototec Mad Scooter. Let's pop it open and see what's in here. All right, so first things first, let's get some warnings. Make sure to follow those. Don't hurt yourself. Got some gear, gotta have the gear. Got a toolkit, very nice. It does say toolkit there, just in case you were worried. Scissors are gonna come in handy. Got your keys so nobody takes off with it. And then we're just gonna lift the whole thing up out of here. Lift it up by one wheel. You know, it's a little heavier than you might expect. It says right here, we're looking at a net weight of 54 kilograms. So for Americans, that's gonna come in at 120 pounds. Got a nice little storage bag down there. I had somebody try to tell me that we should not read the instructions, but I do not advise doing that at home. We're gonna pay attention to the instructions as we get this all put together safely and properly. Your scooter will turn right and it will turn left, but remember, sometimes the opposite of right isn't left, it's wrong. Let's see how quickly we come to a fast stop. Oh, nice disc brakes. And look at those fat tires, man. This thing is ready to handle all terrains. Picks up fast.
Look at that smile.
Stops nice and quick. What an exhilarating ride. And I gotta tell you, your feet are super comfy on this thing when you're sitting on the seat. The seat's very cushy. Handlebars handle fabulously. Brakes are very responsive. And then with the easy kickstand, boom. Ready to go off to class, off to work, wherever, without looking all sweaty. And that's not just because of this sweat-wicking shirt.
Did you know that 4 out of 5 people are thrilled with their Mototec Mad Scooter? The 5th person just can't be pleased for any reason.